There's no way. There's no way. Alright, let's go get a lighter. Here I have an iPhone that you can see is responding to touch. It just got this white screen, kind of transitions from this like brighter, it's almost like a purple hue. You can kind of see there. And yeah, so you can see I'm turning it off and on, right? It responds to touch. We've got no image. And I'm going to see if I can fix it with this lighter here. I think because we can get that spark there, might be able to recreate the scenario that I saw in that video. Take out that single screw here, holding it down, we'll slide that off. Never opened one of these before, so this is going to be interesting. It looks like we've got our fuel down here, which we won't need. We really just need the clicker portion here. So yeah, just simply clicking this, won't feel anything, but if I touch it to something metal, I get a nice little shock running through my body. Nothing crazy, but it's enough that it makes you nervous to squeeze it again. So apparently, if I shock one of the traces right here above this, we're going to get it to show an image. So I'm going to take this under the microscope so I can show you exactly which one I'm going to scrape at to see if this actually works. But first, let's take the screws out so we can take this display off, make this a little easier. Oh, and I think I forgot to mention this is an iPhone 13 Pro. And I'm going to go in and just with the tip of this blade here, we're going to scrape at that trace. All right, here we are. We're going to look at these. We're going to count over 1, 2, 3 right here. This one we're going to scrape at. Let's zoom in down on that real quick. Just like that. All right, so got that little trace there exposed. I still have my doubts on this, but we're gonna go ahead and connect back up the proximity sensor, connect up the display, battery. We're gonna turn this on. See, we still have that white display. So here we go. If I can just get this to squeeze. It's not easy to hold this perfectly while clicking it to get it to make contact. Oh, no way. Oh, I can't believe it. That actually worked. And I'm just curious now if it's going to continue to work, if there's going to be an issue down the road. But dang, I thought that was totally fake watching that online, but it actually works. No way. All right. Well, it was totally worth the trip to Walmart for the lighter. All right, and the lighter's back together. I still can't believe that worked. Oh, no way. No way is still kind of how I feel about the whole repair. Been about a week, and that phone has had zero issues going back to a white screen. Another update. It's been another week. It's still working. However, I've learned a little bit more about why this works and if it is actually a permanent solution. Unfortunately, according to my sources, it's not. Eventually, this phone will revert back to a white screen, and it has to do with the display. And Apple apparently is aware of this, and they were able to correct for this issue on the 14 series. The 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max were prone to having this issue
where a specific line on the display had trouble kind of getting enough power to activate. And so occasionally you'd see this, and on those particular screens, it's kind of one of those things where it will revert back. So this is kind of like a short-term thing, even though I don't see any issues with this device yet. Apparently it's going to come back. And there might be one other way to solve for this, and I'm going to see if I can figure that out. And when and if I do, I'll either make another video or leave it in the comments below. Either way, it's still pretty cool that it worked. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.